flowers in December. Beautiful December morning. Only I have nothing with my coffee. I'm going to do a Christmas dessert today. I want something sweet to enjoy. It's gonna be sunny today, 100%. Wow. Okay, let's go make some sweet Christmas dessert. Yes, before we go to do a Christmas shopping in Menton and Monaco later on this video, let's dive in straight into a beloved French Christmas tradition, la Bûche de Noël. Yes, that's what I'm preparing, la Bûche de Noël. You know, in France, we will find it on almost every holiday table. It's so symbolic that even people who don't usually eat pastries will make an exception in December, because la bûche is more than a dessert, it's a story that I wanna share. So the tradition goes back to medieval times, when families would place a large wooden log in the fireplace on Christmas Eve, and that log had to burn slowly, sometimes even the several days. And it was believed to bring protection, good luck for a coming year. Over the time, fireplaces became too small, or people stopped to have it at all, and the custom faded, except in the kitchen. Pastry chefs brought it back to life. And this is how we ended up with today's delicious dessert.
C'est trop beau? Oui!
And we made some more bougies, the candles.
C'est trop chouette!
Yeah, this one are really cute. And we will put it just next to our bûche de Noël. Ça, c'est un pomme des pins.
Pomme de terre. Ça a traîné de
Mais c'est magnifique. Jingle bells. Mamma mia, don't look this way. Look only this beautiful corner that left in the kitchen. Okay, now we're gonna go to Menton. I just dropped Matt at his friend's house, and you know what we're gonna do now? We're gonna go for a walk in Menton. I wanna show you the town with the Christmas decoration, and of course I will enjoy that I'm alone, and I will go to the shopping street, the one that's near the old town. So let's go. And also yesterday I passed by in Monaco. I was in a bookstore, and I filmed a little bit there also. It's so beautiful. I think I will make a clip while I'm driving until Menton. Every year in Monaco they make a decoration so elegant and rich, and at the same time warm. It's true, it's just beautiful. So while I'm driving to Menton, let's step into a sparkling world of Christmas in Monaco. Well, Monaco is already known for its luxury and elegance and breathtaking Mediterranean views, but during the holiday season it feels even more enchanting. Kids love it, we are loving it, like a simple earth people, everybody. Every corner glows with lights, decorations, and Yeah, it's a really unmistakable festive atmosphere. The heart of the celebration, though, is the port, down the casino square. Their Christmas village that we showed last year, so we will not repeat it again. But this casino square, wow, it really turns into its own winter wonderland. And even if you already seen Monaco before, seeing it in December, it's like seeing it through a new magical lens. I really, really love it. And it's crazy that it's nothing about Menton. I mean, these two places are so close and so different. It just blows my mind. Okay, why did I started over all of this? It's just because I needed to go to a bookstore, and the closest, like a large bookstore from our house, is here in the shopping center of Métropole. It's just next to Monaco Casino, and I'm going to Fnac. It's a very simple shop. You probably know it, and even this shopping center. Oh my God, it's so beautiful, and there are many brands. Of course, we're in Monaco, and nice cafe like this one around this huge giant Christmas tree. And I'm looking Fnac. So let's go. It's downstairs. And I didn't actually. I think that a great present is the book, and I didn't find it yet. And now let's see what's in Menton. It's actually a good day also to do a jogging. Well, I guess we will do a jogging, but after the holidays for sure. Everyone, is running on 1st of January because we promise ourselves to change the habits and blah blah blah. And on 2nd January we forget about it. Anyway. Yes, the weather is still beautiful. Lots of people are doing jogging, and I'm going shopping. And there is not so many Christmas stuff. I really thought that it would be more, but yeah, there are some. And a big giant Christmas tree right in the middle of the walking street next to the old town of Menton. And the people are still half on t-shirt, and yeah, it's nice. It's always nice to walk in Menton. I will just check in a couple of stores. I think I don't even really know what I'm looking. We will have a couple of cousins will arrive soon, and I already bought like this is good for their kid, so I'm taking it for sure. It's like a cup and a breakfast bowl, and so yeah, some stuff, just a little I'm aging stupid but nice stuff that makes people happy. First of all, me, myself. This is the Christmas market in Menton. Well, in the daytime, it's really not a big deal. At night, it's more lively and nice with the, you know, hot chocolate and a hot red wine. And here we are close to the beach, Les Sablettes, and the promenade also. And I know that it's really hard to keep the Christmas atmosphere next to the beach. I mean, these two things are not together. But the town put a few Christmas trees along the promenade, and that will be it, I think. So everyone, I also bought one of these, made quite a shopping. Do you see the old town of Menton? It's so beautiful. I wanted to finish video with the view of Menton. And I also wanted to say that I hope that the video that I made this year were useful for you, whether it relax you when you watch them or you find out something new about the area. However, I want to thank you to watch this channel, and I also want to say that I will take a 2 weeks vacation, you know, with the end of the year, all celebration and stuff, and I will see you in January. To show more, to share more, and just to say how much I missed you. So I'll see you in January. Happy holidays, everyone. I'm sending you lots of love, and à bientôt. Mwah. And again, thank you for joining me today. And wherever you are in the world, I wish you a beautiful, peaceful, and magical Christmas season.